and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm very excited and happy new year. So I decided today I was going to do an eyebrow tutorial. I get asked about my eyebrow routine often, and I always say I'm going to post one, and I never do. So today I didn't have anything to do, so I was like, let me do an eyebrow routine. I feel like people think that there are so many eyebrow routines out there that people are like, oh well, you know, you can figure it out. But I just feel like if you give people something simple, then they can follow. Hopefully I'm giving that, you know what I'm saying? Do the girls even do tutorials anymore? I really don't know, but I'm doing one for y'all today, and I hope y'all enjoy. Okay guys, so let's get into these brows. This is a routine that I don't switch up on. My brows pretty much stay the same no matter what. If I'm looking away, it's because I'm looking in my mirror, but I do think y'all will be able to see me okay. I first start off by brushing my brows. Just brush them up. Am I blurry? I don't know if much changed. Anyway. So yeah, I start off by brushing my brows up. I mean, usually I guess you want your brows to be a bit more groomed or whatever, but to each his own. So now that my brows are brushed up, I'm going to just go ahead and start filling them in. I use the Instant Lift Brow Pencil by e.l.f. and this is in the color Neutral Brown. Looks like this. It's a little fat. But yeah, my eyebrows are just naturally thick, so I'm just going to go in and line the bottom. I try to make brows as quick as possible. I do my brows last clearly because my face is already done. If you would like a updated foundation routine, please let me know down below and like this video. So yeah, after I do that line, I brush my brows through. Brushing the hairs down out of my way, I outline the top as well. This part is kind of important for the simple fact that I do not clean up on the top of my brows. So with this, you want to be very careful. I prefer my brows to look a little more on the natural side. So I don't do too much, and I just brush through my brows. Front, you want to do hair-like strokes. You want to go through again and do the same thing. Going back to clean up right there. I can't tell if my glass is just not on or if the video is blurry, so if it is, we'll know in a minute when I check. But yeah, so that's my brow. That's the brow. My signature brow. They usually look, I mean, a little cleaner right off the bat when I have them waxed, but I'm growing my eyebrows out, so we're not going to worry about it. But we are going to move on to the next brow, and I'm just going to speed through, do the same thing that I did on this one. Okay, so that's just that on that, on filling in the brows. I don't want them to be too dark. I do like a bold brow anyway, so yeah. So now we're going to clean them up with some concealer. I usually mix these two together. It's a foundation, which is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in amber. So we're gonna take that. So we're gonna take that little bit of concealer on the back of our hands here, just like that. And then I'm gonna mix it with the Covergirl Trublend Undercover concealer. Looks like this. Bomb, bomb, bomb. This is in the shade Warm Honey. I use this to highlight with. I don't like a super bright highlight, as you can see. And we're just gonna mix them together with this brush. This brush is a smudger brush from Wet n Wild. I'm gonna add a bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Camo concealer because we a little lighter in the wintertime. So I'm gonna add this, and this is in the shade Tan Sand. I only use a touch of it. Like, when I tell you a touch, because it's super bright. It's actually lighter than I expected. This is the shade, kind of my skin, what's my sign say? Kind of my skin tone. And I mean, you know, concealer is basically like a eraser, so to speak. So that's what we're gonna use to clean up. So I'm just gonna go right in, and I started my arch. That's where I want to distribute most of the product. So yeah, and I just follow that natural eyebrow shape that I have here. And I just start to blend that down. The Trublend concealer is like nice and full coverage, in my opinion, but it dries super fast, so you gotta work quick. And after that, just do a quick little blend out. Like I said, this concealer dries really quick, so you want to work quick. That is our brow. I like to go back and brush the front of my brow. I do not like boxy brows, no ma'am. And I go through with this blending brush and blend through the front just to soften it up a bit. I forgot who I learned that from, but yeah. And I mean, you can always go back with your pencil and fix things that you think need fixing. For me, it's this little section here, just to clean it up, crisp it up just a little bit. Brush through them, and that's it. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go on this other side and do the same thing. Okay guys, so that concludes my eyebrow tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. I'm not making no promises. I'm not telling y'all when I'm gonna post again, but I do plan on posting again. So thanks y'all, and let's have a good new year. Love y'all. Bye.